Hi, this is Dr. Ramona Lazard. So I'm going to tape my knee. I'm using Kinesiology sports tape, and I'll have a link in the description box below to purchase this tape. So it is 2 inches wide and 9 inches long. So what am I doing? I'm going to tape the medial aspect of my knee, remove the backing, and so I'm going to apply the tape to the tibial tuberosity. This is good for people that have osteoarthritis. So typically they have most of their pain in the medial aspect of the knee. And so you want to just smooth out the edges and then smooth the tape all the way up to the quadricep muscles. Because typically the quadricep muscles are very weak. And so this will help to minimize the pain in the knee and also help to allow the quadricep muscle to contract better too as well. And so now I'm going to take the second strip and I'm going to apply it on the lateral aspect of the knee. So you just want to make sure that you are very conscious about, how much stretch you put into the tape. You don't want to be too light. You want to make sure that you stretch it at least strong enough that you can get it around the lateral aspect of the knee and that it feels secure. And so I'm going along the hamstring and the IT band and also where the quadricep muscle meets. And so just smoothing it out. This tape is very lightweight. And so that's what I like about the tape. If you guys have any questions about how to apply this tape, you can reach out to me. You can comment below. You can contact. I'll have all my contact information in the description box below. You see it's nice and smooth. Thank you.